Followers and viewers throughout Papua New Guinea. The recent announcement by the governor for ECP, Honorable Allan, to break away from Papua New Guinea is insult to the people of Bougainville and Papua New Guinea as a whole. Right, way milukim governor blong ECP, Honorable Allan emi kirap na tokol only wait so long Bougainville on kisim independence na after Bougainville emi kisim independence or narla provinces too by being Bougainville na kisim independence blong all na Papua New Guinea by come up with some one blood divided nation. Alright, this la tok long Allan emi woglo come up in confusion long corridor blong Waigani na I got him question mark stop why I look also all Bougainville by kisim independence long 2007 or not emi stop long question mark. Right, this la kind talk na leadership na campaign belong Allan long come up ritual leadership na dividing Papua New Guinea come up with some divided nation. It's not in the best interest of the country na in the interest of the founding father of this country. Right, the founding fathers of the country so put in the constitution get together only like a Papua New Guinea by staff of some one country na by come up divided nation. Man we been kissing place belong founding father belong to the country late grand chief say Michael Somare this la talk we emi making emi go against spirit na thinking na constitution na leadership style belong grand chief and emi totally against grand chief. I think all people belong ECP only making mistake by electing ECP Governor Allan so 2027, I think all people belong ECP must make him right decision along saving future destiny along Papua New Guinea.
We're not happy with the way, James Marape and his team are running the country. We're just waiting for Bougainville to be independent and we'll be next.